Hello everybody, it's furry time!
Hey, I'm here with
Autlex.
and no one. There's no one there. Alright, and tonight we will be unboxing Luminous. It's a suit from K-Line and it came all the way from Japan, and I had to pay 800 freaking tax and shit. So that's great. I'm just gonna
Throw the box.
yes. But anyways, this will be my first full suit, and I am super excited about this. The suit came into Estonia within like 4 days, and the tax dudes and all that stuff had the box with them like for like about 2 weeks, because like, you know, they had to check if it was like real fur and what it was for, and you know, all that stuff. So
You are gonna kill the fursuit in it.
oh my freaking god, there's the head.
Okay, give me
It's
the
the
knife.
head. It's the head.
It's my turn.
You're not very good at this. You missed. Knife that motherfucker.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's the
Oh
one.
yeah. Alright. Ooh. Ooh,
Wow.
this is empty.
Give me this.
Eat
Oh,
that.
is it empty?
Oh my god. Look at the video.
Oh my god, it's a big foot.
That's the size of your body.
Yeah. I used the same shoes. I sent them. Actually thought they were gonna like. Okay. This is big. The stump is stump. We can go smash. And the other one, yes.
I want to try this.
They're so big. These are huge. What else?
Ooh.
What else
Oh, that's
is
the
it?
extra box with the pink things. That's the bad and stuff.
You can have that.
Oh yeah, I love these.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, give me that.
Show us. Yeah, you did that. Show what it is.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh,
Oh, you got
pretty
this.
boys.
I can be like.
Oh yes.
You can have that. Okay, booty.
Oh my god.
Booty. Ooh, more stuff for you.
Oh yeah. I love
What
these.
is this? Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's
booty?
the body.
Booty. The body not too big. More.
Well,
Oh my god.
ooh,
Booty. Box. Look at this booty. The booty.
Ooh, the sewing is so nice. The fur is so cute.
Show us the head.
Oh, I
No.
got the head. I forgot about it.
This is the head. What are you talking about?
Oh
my.
This looks good.
And back.
Come here, man.
Yeah.
Mona, what are you doing?
Air. And we have a dead body over here.
Oh, hello.
Die. That was not supposed to be there.
You have to clean it up, you know.
Come back. Hello. Oh my god.
Air. It's air.
Give me the air.
Air.
Give me air.
I'm gonna inhale all of this.
Yes, and then you will be Japanese.
Give me one.
Yeah.
Give the no one this. Oh my god, so many of these.
I broke it.
You broke it. Now there's Japanese
It's
air
everywhere.
everywhere. No. I missed. Ooh, den hela boy. Ja boy.
Oh my god.
Ja.
The tail!
Tail!
We can go to conventions and hold it now.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
The full body gang.
Yeah!
Ooh, the paws.
Aldies! Ooh, they're so squishy. They're so thick.
Ooh.
Thicky boys.
It feels soft even through my paw.
Ooh, it has some stuff. Luminous. Oh, that's cool. Has like Luminous written here.
Ooh, a tag.
Luminous. That says left and right. Okay. What's the head?
Japan.
No! I'm gonna show the paws.
I'm Japanese now.
Oh my god, they're so squishy. Thick. Ah. No. More air. Oh boy.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, it's a boy. He's so big. Oh my god.
Get the box out of here. Oh, leave the box.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
So pretty hair. Like, why can't my hair look so nice all the time? Oh boy, this is soft. This is so soft. Nice and soft. Yeah, you can feel the softness. Yeah, the nose. It's so cute.
Boop.
Look how cute it is.
Oh my god. You're a boy. Can you see?
Kind of.
How's the ventilation again?
I can't tell yet.
I mean, the mouth is really small.
Yeah, I think it's going to be horrible.
Kawaii.
Kawaii.
Okay, I'm the star of the day now. Hello. Ooh, the body.
Booty.
The sewing.
Oh boy.
That's a lot of sewing.
Yeah.
Where's my water bottle? I'm going.
You will never find it now.
I have no idea how to put this on. This I feel like it's coming off. I think it is.
You're gonna have to pull it up.
Oh my god, what did you do?
Oh, it looks.
What did you do?
You're gonna have to. Oh, you're thick.
No,
You're really
so
thick. I'm thick too. I have an attached tail and attached feet.
Yeah.
So I've never had to deal with this.
Okay. Right through the hole here. Booty hole. Yeah, okay, I'm just
It looks good.
gonna put it sort of loosely right now. Okay, that looks okay. Now put on the boys.
Ooh. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Ah, you're small.
Hold
That's
on,
fun.
I'm gonna put my thick legs on. Oh my god. I'm so big I can't do it. Oh, it's all alright.
Okay.
I just have to put this like on.
Clink.
Okay, I think it's on. Otherwise, when you thought it was over, but it wasn't. It was the other foot. Wee. Okay,
Hey, we got it.
I got my feet.
Ooh, sticky. Does it fit the body? Does it fit well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh god, you're so big.
Yeah.
I'm good at one thing in life,
Yes.
and that is making ducting dummies. Hire me. Ha. You're still tiny though. You're so small. No, it's the me. My battery's low. It's very low.
I can bend myself.
Yeah, but like it's really good.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Do a turn around. The tail needs adjusting.
Yeah.
Otherwise it looks good.
Everything needs adjusting.
Yeah.
But this is something. Wow. Wow. Ah. Give me the thingy. Give me. I'm gonna crab walk out of here.
Dude, the hair looks cool when you do that.
Oh. It doesn't help.
I know. Give me that. Does it help?
A little bit from the neck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just like.
I was gonna offer you some water, but your mouth is too small.
I can't do anything. Your mouth is small.
You're done with it. Your tail is in your face.
Hi. I'm gonna get up. Yeah.
Your legs don't bend, eh?
Okay.
How are you gonna get up?
That's a little bit because of tennis and stuff. So I did get up. Yeah.
It's a human!
I think it's actually like resin, not foam.
There's a lot of padding,
Yeah.
but if you touch here, then it is resin, yeah. The little mouth, it's so little.
So it would be like extra cute.
I can do that. Ooh. Hello.
Thing.
My suit needed adjusting to when I first got it, but I eventually figured it out. And you can do the same.
Yeah. Alright, I'm not ready to take the thickness off. Okay, get it off. Oh, thicky! And now everyone's gonna comment, oh my god, you're wearing jeans! You're not supposed to wear jeans.
Wait,
I always wear jeans.
Oh, hell yeah. Look at me. My big toe. He's having a good time. Oh, in their feet.
I'm ready to.
This is like dead. I'm dead.
It's
Right.
soft.
But this,
Now I'm gonna take it. Now it's mine. Oh god. Oh, that was a bad idea.
Just let go.
You forgot how to YouTube.
Okay, but anyways, this was the video. I know it was like all over the place and weird, and I don't even know what.
I think the reason why it was so weird is because I'm here.
Yeah, probably, and also no one is here. So
Hello.
the secret cameraman.
You have one on your hat.
And again, I'm gonna do a proper suit-up video sometime. So, yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this video. You can go ahead and comment, like, subscribe.
You can comment anything besides anything about my jeans. So
Yeah.
leave our jeans alone.
You can also check out all the links in the description. And,
Hello.
yeah.
I have nothing to say besides that I have Instagram.
Yeah. He has Instagram. Weird. Alright. Bye.
Bye.